stupid. Pipsy. There's a bill. What is wrong? That's the bitch stupid. What you don't like it? Look at you. That's not good. Sexy poo. You're sexy. Sexy, Pedro. Look at me. We're studying. We're studying. I'm studying. No. Good stinker. Mama. You know, Pedro. You don't like his kiss. No. Can you get please sit. Sorry, big Dolly. Let me go run down and get back. That's it. Are you bit here? No. Ain't that sipping? Ain't that bit? You like his kiss? Oh, look at that. What are you? You can do this. Oh, little dickish. The distance. This. You can be it.
I have to move my leg, Pedro. Ouch. Okay, baby P, that's enough now, okay? Hey? You want to say bye-bye? Bye! Mommy needs to get a drink, huh?
Listen, Rattler.
I want water.
He's getting hot.
Are you hot, Pedro? Can't believe this. It's nice and cool. It's actually probably about 22 degrees. Isn't it?
Mm.
And he's hot. What are you? Are you a southern bird? Hey? Or a westerner? Or a western bird?
You should do your trips. Big dude. No. I'm disgusted.
Mommy disgusting.
Did you bring kiss? Did you bring kiss for it? Okay. Did you bring kiss?
Did you bring kiss? So this is Pedro's, hang on, one of his favorite toy. And he hasn't seen it for, I think, 5 days. Isn't it, Pedro? And we just let it out of his bag today. And so he's so excited to see his little bell. Yes, I know. You like your little bell. Hey? Hey, don't bite Mommy. Hey? You want to move it, Pedro? Mommy have to get water. I need water. Mommy's thirsty, Pedro. Yeah. You want to move your bell along? Move it over there. Come on. Hey, can I flick it? Hang on. Look, you're going to bite me. There you go. Okay, Pedro, Mommy, you're going to get a drink now. Hey, baby pee. You love eating Mommy's shoes, don't you? Hey, look, there's another one. Hey, Pedro, look. Look at this one. You want this one? Can you reach that? No. See, when I give it to you, you don't want it. No, no, you go on the other side.
1 volt only. That panel's putting in.
We're out in the bush. And Wall is over there starting the generator. And Pedro and I are sitting by the door waiting for Daddy to finish, isn't it, Pedro? So we can go for a drive. How are we going to go dig up some gold again?